This is Potensic Atom, and today I'll show how you can change the control stick mode on this drone. So to start, you will need to open the camera view of the Potensic Pro app, then tap at these three horizontal dots, select the control section, here open the control stick mode page, and here you can switch between mode 1 and mode 2 respectively. And here from those, I don't know how to call it, instructions, graphics, icons, whatever, you can see precisely what controls mode 1 or mode 2 offers, or well, what is the difference. So pretty much they mirror one another. So in the mode 1, the left controller is responsible for the up, down, and turn movements, and the second stick is responsible for forward, backward, and side rotations. And well, in the mode 2, those roles are reversed, as you can see. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.